Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Today I want to make a Murtabak Maggi. So stay tuned with me until the end of the video. This is Hannan onion and 1 plate Maggi and 1 egg. Let's do Murtabak Maggi. First, we need to boil the Maggi.
5 minutes later.
Second, we need to stir the water. Next, break the egg and put it into a bowl. And stir it. After that, put the seasoning and mix it. Then cut the Hannan onion. Mix the onion into the bowl. Then stir it. Next, it is time to combine the noodles with the ingredients into the bowl. After that, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil into a pan. Next, fry the ingredients that we combine together on the pan. Keep the Murtabak Maggi with your own creativity.
5 minutes later.
Fry the Murtabak Maggi for 5 minutes on each side.
5 minutes later.
Now, it can be served. Wow, delicious! Lastly, we can cut the Murtabak Maggi into pieces. Ta-da! Don't forget to wash the dishes.
Eleven minutes later.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
First, eat the date. Let me taste my Murtabak Maggi. Wow, so good.